ConvertKit tutorial for beginners, step-by-step email marketing tutorial. In this video, we're going to be discussing about ConvertKit and how you can use this amazing email marketing software to get yourself started off with some great email marketing stuff. So yeah, it's going to be really fun. It's going to be really nice. So yeah, basically without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, to basically get ourselves started off, what are we going to do? Obviously, you're going to go ahead and sign up. And to sign up, please do make sure to check out the link in the description below. Okay, in the description you'll see a link at the top. Just click on it to sign up with ConvertKit. Now to sign up, obviously you're going to come and see their pricings and everything, the main aspect of everything. So in the pricing, as you can see, first of all, there's the free plan, okay, which is, as it says, totally free, $0, unlimited landing pages, unlimited forms, unlimited broadcasts, etc. Then there's the creator plan with $9, okay, $9 per month with the same features, just a bit more, okay, as you can see down here. And then same for Creator Pro. So as you keep going up, the plans keep getting better. So let's skip all that and go ahead and create an account, okay? Now, when it comes to creating accounts, again, we're going to come here on temp mail. Now, I'm going to be using a temp mail because I'm going to be scraping this email off later on for myself. But you can go ahead and use a proper email for yourself. So once I add in that, we're going to put in our name, okay? I'm going to put that in. You're going to add the email, okay? And again, you don't necessarily have to use a temp mail, okay? You can just use your Gmail. Now, once you do that, I'm going to agree to its terms and click on Get Started. Now, once we do that, obviously, it's going to take us through the whole sign-up process with some surveys. Welcome. Where are you joining us from? Okay, you could be already in the marketing business, or you could be just starting out. So I'm going to be like, no, I'm just starting out. Let's go with that. Click on Continue. Now, once you click on continue, how big is your audience? Subscribers on YouTube, followers on Instagram, etc. So it could be a 1 to 1,000, 1,001 to 5,000, 5,000 to 15,000, as it goes on. I'm going to go with the 1 to 1,000 for now. And once you do that, click on continue. Tell us about yourself. What is your business, newsletter, or brand name actually called? Now, this is the name that will appear on your creator profile, checkout pages, and other pages visible to your subscribers. I'm going to keep the business name same, okay? I'm not going to actually go ahead and mess around with that stuff. So, what is your business newsletter or brand name called? Once it's done with that, now choose a custom domain for yourself. This will be the default URL for your creator profile, landing pages, and products, okay? So just keep whatever, goes best for you. And once you've kept that, obviously we're gonna kick it in, and here we are. So what kind of creator are you? Which of these options best describe you as a creator? Select up to 3 or enter something more accurate. Now you could be an artist, athlete, author, blogger, chef, coach, designer, any of these. I'm gonna go with, let's go, yeah, more blogger would make more sense. Okay, let's go with blogger. What do you hope to achieve with ConvertKit? Okay, so you could grow your list, okay, which is basically gathering subscribers with a hosted landing page or a form embedded in your website, okay? Now, if you want to make a landing page, then obviously this is best, but we're going to be doing email marketing, so we're going to come over here with this, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to come here and click on send emails. And once you click on send emails, we're going to click on continue. Now, once you've clicked on continue, what's going to happen is you're going to come here. So final step, get your account approved faster. These answers are optional and won't impact your ability to actually create an account, but can help our team make sure you're a real person and get you verified for sending faster. So fill in as many blanks as you like. I'm going to keep them blank right now and click go on continue. And once you do that, you're going to come here. Welcome to ConvertKit, John Leahy. Send your first email, add your first email subscribers, etc. So basically, this is where all the work actually starts for your page, okay? So you get a few options up here: grow, send, automate, earn, and learn, okay? Now, obviously, these options, not too difficult to understand them, is it? But do you know this, that you will need to have a pretty strong understanding of, what you see in front of yourself. So, yeah, pretty simple stuff. Now, what you're going to do is obviously we're going to start by adding ourselves some subscribers. So to add subscribers, you're just going to click on start adding subscribers. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here. Okay, add your email subscribers, add subscribers to your email list to send your first email. I want to import existing subscribers. I'm starting my list from scratch. go with one of these if you want to. Now, it's pretty simple, I guess, to go with any single one of these, but obviously, I'm going to leave that stuff out right now. And what we're going to do is let's head over to the dashboard and let's see the whole dashboard overview, okay? So obviously right now we're in the dashboard and you can see it's pretty empty. Now it says reports will show up here as you start to, actually use your account more. Now, obviously right now our account is unused. We just got into it. So that's why it's, not a lot of things going on. So let's first of all go to learn, okay? What does learn bring us? Learn basically gives us all these things like, your basic documentations where you can read the documentation for helpful articles and tutorials. You got community where you got a burning question, ask the community for advice. Creator University, in-depth courses to help you earn a living as a creator with ConvertKit. Okay, then you have earn, you have products, sell digital products and content subscriptions directly to your audience. You have tip jars, which give your audience a way to send you a tip for your content. You have great payouts to see a breakdown of all payouts you have received. Automations, where you have visual automations, which create powerful automated funnels for your audience. Integrations, where you can connect your content with ConvertKit by integrating with your other accounts. Rules, if this, then that, automation rules that are pretty simple to get your head behind. You have RSS, which is automatically generating emails or digests when RSS feeds update. You can send different broadcasts, send an email to some or all of your audience and to your public feed. And you have email templates where you can create email templates to use as a starting point in your emails. You have different sequences where you can create multiple emails that are sent in a proper order. Snippets, where you can supercharge your emails with reusable blocks of proper content. And then finally, there's the grow. And this is where we're obviously going to be doing proper, growing. And in the growing, first of all, you have subscribers. Browse all your subscribers and customers. You have the creator profile where it's your hub on the internet, a one-stop shop for your subscribers to find all your content and products. Landing pages and forms where you can gather subscribers with a hosted landing page or a form embedded on your website. And then finally, there's the creator network. Find creators to partner with to grow your audience faster. So pretty simple stuff and pretty, easy stuff to get your head behind. So we're going to be getting into all of this in a second. What we're going to do now is we're going to head over to the account settings. Now, once you're in the account settings, you're here in your profile. So first of all, you're in login details, okay, password reset and multi-factor authentication. And over here, you can see the different login details, multi-factor authentication. You can see different stuff. You'll need to confirm an email address before setting up two-factor authentication and much more. So you can go ahead and save changes for that. Then obviously you're going to come down here in notification. And in the notification section, obviously you can see all these things like account summary, which is basically sending you a summary of your recent account activity, okay? Now, obviously that could be a weekly summary, a monthly summary. That depends on whatever you want. And you have subscribers where you can email someone to the subscribers list, and you have purchases where you can email someone purchases one of the products on ConvertKit. Now, head over to the general account settings. So in the general settings here, first of all, you have the business name. As you can see, this is the business name that we can always change. Then you have saved colors, where you can save your most used brand colors for quick and easy access while you're creating broadcasts, sequences, landing pages, and forms. Changing the colors here won't impact any assets that you have previously created. Now, moving on, obviously you can go ahead and choose, different colors for yourself. So let's say I'm going to keep that over there, keep that over there. It all depends on playing with the colors, etc. So yeah, pretty basic stuff. Then obviously moving further on, you can, once you've saved these changes, you're going to go down to email. Okay, these are your email settings. So first of all, this is where you can add different addresses for your emails. Okay, now once you've added different addresses, then you have different default time zones and sending times. Set when you would like your sequence emails to be sent by default. You can override this for each sequence. We'll use this as your default time zone throughout your account, okay? And you can set days for yourself, pretty simple. Then you have the timing, okay? The timing's also pretty simple, pretty, like not a lot of things to actually check on that. Then you have mailing address, where you can see anti-spam laws require physical address where you can be reached to be at the bottom of every email. You can use our address if you don't have one ready. Then you have the street address. which you're going to keep for yourself. You have the unsubscribe survey, which you can use. Turning on the unsubscribe survey basically allows you to collect responses when a subscriber like properly leaves. Then you have subscriber content and privacy, where you have GDPR settings. This option will show a page to subscribers after they opt in, requesting them to provide consent for additional emails. This is to comply with data protection laws and regulations in the European Union, UK, and Switzerland. For more information, read this help article. It will only work on ConvertKit forms, and your subscribers will get added to special GDPR tags in your account. Subscribers will not get tagged if they are added to ConvertKit through third-party integrations. So obviously go ahead and save changes for this case as well. Pretty simple stuff. Moving on, you have domains. In the ConvertKit domain, as you can see, your free ConvertKit domain is used by default to host your public posts, landing pages, and product pages. This can act as your website if you do not already have one, and you can share this URL with your audience. You should customize it to match your brand and make it more relevant to your actual business, okay? Because obviously that's something that a lot of people would recommend doing with their businesses and stuff. So yeah, then obviously, as you can see, your ConvertKit domain, this is where your public posts are actually hosted. You have a home page, create a profile. This is the page your visitors will see when they visit your .ck page domain. Then you have custom domains, and by default, your primary domain is the ConvertKit domain. If you've already purchased a domain or have a website, you can add a custom domain to replace the ConvertKit domain. For additional support on domains, you can check out their based article. And then obviously you have to verify your domain. Like let's say you have your very own domain, okay? You added your very own domain. And a domain can easily be picked off of, places like Hostinger, Bluehost, GoDaddy, all these great places that give you free domains. Not free, but like pretty fast and good working domains. So you can, access those websites. And once you've done that, obviously from there on out, click on save and you're good to go. Then finally comes the commerce. Okay, commerce is basically your payments. Now, start selling online with ConvertKit. ConvertKit basically lets you create, manage, and sell digital products online. Get started by setting up your payout details so you can start selling today. Now, you can obviously go ahead and easily set up your payments. Pretty simple stuff. So you're going to go and set up payments. Now, before we set up payouts, let us know if you're an individual or a company. Obviously, if you're a company, then they ask you some, deep questions. So here we are. Now, in some cases, as mine, the commerce won't be available in your country. So if that is the case, you can obviously connect a third-party platform and integrate it with this, like, you have Stripe, etc. Pretty basic stuff. And once you've set it up, payments and everything, you have the billings where you can choose billing infos, histories, and plans. Again, pretty simple stuff. Stick with the creator plan. With the creator plan, you have access to ConvertKit's most powerful features to help you automate your whole marketing needs. And obviously, it's $108 per year, which you can upgrade right now if you want to. But yeah, I'm gonna stay on the free one. Then you have the teams. Okay, and teams is obviously, you can create a whole team over here by inviting team members, etc. Much more. Advanced, where you have affiliate links, and in the affiliate links you have all these things. If you're a ConvertKit affiliate, you can use the existing powered by ConvertKit badge at the bottom of your emails and landing pages to link to your ConvertKit affiliate account. And then you can also add your affiliate link. Pretty simple stuff. You have your API keys. You'll need your API key for the WordPress plugin. You have API secrets, advanced tracking, and much more. Okay, now obviously once we've discussed about all of that, what we're going to do from there is we're actually going to go ahead and grow the audience, something we are actually here for. So for that, what are we going to do? We're going to obviously go ahead and import some contacts. And how will you import contacts? To import contacts, first of all, obviously you're going to come to your dashboard. Now, once you are in your dashboard, you're going to come here on grow and you're going to go to subscribers, okay? And once you're here, as you can see, organize your subscribers with tags and segments. Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. This is where you learn about your people at a basic level. Your subscribers are organized in tag segments and forms. Tags organize the subscribers, while segments organize the tags. Forms tell you where subscribers join your list and can also be used to organize subscribers. Pretty basic stuff, isn't it? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on add subscribers. Now, what does that do? It basically gives you this prompt. Adding subscribers. Tags allow you to organize and group your subscribers based on actions, interests, and more. Because ConvertKit is subscriber centric, that means that you only have one list of subscribers. Tags help you keep that one list organized. Would you like to create a new tag? Obviously, you can go ahead and choose for that if you want to. So now we have three basic ways, okay? First of all is adding a single subscriber. That's the most basic way. Like, you're gonna have one subscriber that you can add for yourself, okay? Pretty simple stuff, isn't it? So just go ahead and add that one subscriber for yourself. And then you have a CSV, okay? A CSV is basically an Excel file, okay? An XLS file, an XLSX file, all that, all those things. So these are the files that you can add for yourself. And they just have, you could say, an easier outlook when it comes to adding contacts. So obviously add a single subscriber or import a whole CSV for yourself. You can import from another provider as well. So let's say if you already have another email marketing platform and you want to import, your contacts from there to here, you can always just import from another provider. Pretty simple stuff, isn't it? So to add a single subscriber, let's go over here. And it's this simple. Like, just add the first name, add their email, include the number of subscribers, import their data, and save the contacts and everything. And once all of that is done, yeah, basically pretty simple stuff, isn't it? You're good to go from there. And you can also keep importing from other providers anytime, any moment you want to. And yeah, pretty basic stuff. So obviously you can manage your subscriber preferences as well. Create up to 10 topics of interests and assign tags to allow your subscribers to choose which type of emails they would like to receive based on their preferences. This list will obviously appear when your subscribers click on Update Preferences in the email footer, which is, natural. Each topic of interest can only map to one tag. We recommend creating new tags for your topics to avoid using tags already associated with rules or visual automations, which may trigger a number of actions for your actual subscribers, okay? So as you can see, note each topic of interest can only map to one tag. We recommend creating new tags for your topics to avoid using tags already associated with rules or visual automations, which may or may not trigger a number of actions to your subscribers, okay? Then, obviously, moving further on, what you can do about, the whole subscriber thing is obviously add a CSV for yourself. And in the subscribers, you can create segments. Segments let you group subscribers together for broadcasts, tags, which can help you organize your subscribers, and products, which, products your subscribers actually bought. So pretty simple stuff, isn't it? Then moving further on, you have more things like even if you go and grow, you have creator profile. Okay. Now this is the profile that will appear on, when people actually come to see the content creator that sent us the email. Okay, so that's going to be your email profile, creator profile, basically. And you're going to need to make sure that it looks good and it's actually top notch, because if it like has its issues, if it like has its, certain problems, then obviously people will be skeptical about actually wanting to, have anything done by you specifically. So yeah, make sure to have a good creator profile, a very professional looking creator profile, basically. And for that, obviously you're gonna enable your posts, add your general tags, create, different feeds and stuff, and you're gonna be good to go. Because basically all the subscribers that you're gonna have are basically gonna see your profile. So let's say if I add a subscriber by myself, just a random subscriber as so, and include, yeah, let's add this in the form, and we're gonna click on save. And as you can see, I just added my new subscriber, and they give me an analytical chart of it as well. So it's like pretty simple stuff, isn't it? So that's obviously how you're gonna add subscribers for yourself. Then moving on, let's discuss about how you can basically, let's say, do some further email marketing. So in that case, what we're going to do is we're going to come here and send. And once you're in send, you can broadcast or like, different ways to gather subscribers. So to broadcast, you're going to go on new broadcast, And once you go in broadcast, obviously they're going to ask you to choose templates and stuff. Pretty simple. And choosing templates, trust me, has never been easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to landing pages and forms. And once you're in landing page and forms, look at over here. Turn readers into subscribers, something I read already. Down here, like up here, we have landing pages, obviously. Down here, we have forms. So create a great first impression by embedding a form anywhere on your website sales page or web page that you host yourself. Okay. And trust me, creating a form, like once you create a proper form for yourself, a form that you can market around and send to people, trust me, you're going to be good to go. Like from there on out, things are going to be so fun and so easy for you when it comes to email marketing because a lot of people to interact a lot when it comes to the forms. Now, what are forms? Basically, those little sign up or email newsletter forms that people have on their websites. Those are your basic, nitty gritty forms. And a lot of people, basically, how do I put this? A lot of people interact with forms. Like many people are more likely, you could say, to interact with forms than to, you know, interact with any other form of email marketing. So, as we can see, pretty essential stuff to have for your page, pretty great stuff to have for your page, and it's just great fun. And I recommend that you start doing this straight away because, like, if you're not, then trust me, you're wasting a lot of time and space. Because let's say if I were to go in forms right now, you can watch a demo if you want to, but I'm just going to go straight ahead into the form section. Now, once we go ahead and create a form, here we have four different, layouts: inline, model, slide in, sticky bar. So, seems like a pretty simple thing, you know. So basically, inline is something that's going to appear in front of your text like this. Model is a big square that's going to appear in front of your text. Slide in is, something that appears in the bottom right over here. And sticky bar is a bar that, sticks along as you scroll down. So the more widely used one is model. So I'd recommend you go with model. And once you go with model, as you can see, it starts giving you tons and tons of these different templates. And as you can see, these templates look pretty good. They look pretty nice. And you can obviously get your head behind them. You can check them out. If you like them, if you fancy them, then please do go ahead and, have a crack at them. Choose whichever one you want. Choose whichever one you think is suitable for your design. So let's say I'm going to go with this one, Poplar, over here, okay? And once we go with Poplar, here we are. Learn how to take photos like an absolute pro. So as you can see, this is your basic form. This is what's going to pop up. So you can first of all change template anytime you want, by the way. Just click on change template and it's going to bring you here. But obviously I'm going to go back on Poplar as so. And once we go here, basically it's going to load us in. So first of all, you have your background that you can edit pretty simply. Now in the background, obviously choose a different photo for yourself if you want to. You can crop the background. You can choose different filters as so. Like you can make it black and white if you want to. I'm going to go with that. Click on done. And there we go. Image processed. You can also choose different color schemes. You can choose different types of color grading. You can replace the photo with a different type of photo that you want to keep. Pretty simple stuff. Then moving further on, you have different border radiuses that you can keep for yourself. Again, pretty simple stuff. And then obviously, going further in, you can add custom CSS for yourself. But let's talk about how you're going to change these texts that you have in front of you, okay? Now, to change these texts, what we're going to do is you're going to come here, click on the text that is, giving you an issue. And once you click on it, obviously, first of all, you're going to go to the font weight and stuff and change that. Now, the font weight can be changed to normal. It can be changed to bold. You can choose the font color accordingly, whatever suits best for you. And once you've done that, you can obviously go ahead and write anything you want as so, pretty simple stuff. And obviously, same with down here, you can choose the text accordingly. You can add different types as well. You can add files, headings, number list, and order list, and all that. Then you have all this over here. Okay, this email address prompt. You can add different types of things down here as well in the plus section. And yeah, basically much, much more. So basically it's that simple. It's that easy to, actually get along with all of this. Now, to, Once you've done all of this, basically you can go ahead and save it and everything, and then you can also preview it by adding stuff over here. Click on download, and obviously it's going to take you through the whole thing. So if you like what you've done, you're going to click on publish, and it gives you 5 options. So first of all, you have the JavaScript option. You can add it in JavaScript code, where you can embed your form onto your site with one list of proper JavaScript. Place this code where you want the form to display on your site, and yeah, like that should leave you good to go. So, pretty easy, right? Pretty simple. And obviously, after adding that, you can like just copy this code and add it in any JavaScript that you have on your site. Or if you don't want to mess with JavaScript, you have an HTML code as so. And as you can see, there's this whole code. Just copy that and go ahead and paste it into your site's HTML edit. Then you have share. Share this link to a hosted version of your form. Pretty simple. Then you have WordPress, okay? Download and install the ConvertKit WordPress plugin to easily embed your forms in your WordPress site. You can embed your form directly into a page or post using the following short code. And, you have a proper form code for yourself. Pretty simple. And then you have Unbounce. You can copy and paste this URL into your Unbounce webhook settings, and it's pretty simple stuff. Just go ahead and copy it, paste it in, and yeah, that should leave you good to go. So as you can see, pretty simple stuff when it comes to discussing ConvertKit. Pretty easy, isn't it? Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will make more of these, many of these for you. But yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please, again, as I said, drop down a like. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any issues with this video, let me know those as well, and I'll fix them for you immediately. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That was all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Keep having a great day. Goodbye.